Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl CC Era here, and I'm back with another video. Alright you guys, so before we get into this great content, be sure to click that subscribe button down below before we get into it. But yeah, you guys, all jokes aside, before we get into this video, I just wanted to tell my feelings on what is going on in the world right now, and just how I've been coping a little bit. Or I'm not gonna lie, it hasn't all been good for me, you guys. Honestly, this is what's keeping me going, posting videos and interacting with you guys. Yeah, it's just really spreading light amongst me, and I feel that in my heart it may also be spreading light amongst you guys. Just seeing great looks that we gonna bust when this shit is over with, period. It's inspiring. Oh my god, I just dropped my pen very far. I didn't want to believe this. I still don't want to believe this. I really want to wake up and find out that this is a dream. But it's not, and this is our reality right now. And I feel like the best thing to do is what I've been reading anyway, is have a routine and just not let it get you down. Read books, watch me on YouTube, make YouTube videos. I personally have kind of been letting it get the best of me because I'm just uncertain about my future, and it just makes me very anxious. And I have been like staying in the bed all day, and you know, finally getting myself to get out of bed at like noon, which is terrible to even say, but at least I'm actually getting up, you guys, and I'm actually, you know, posting content daily. That's one thing that I have on my list to do every day, is to just post something for you guys, post on my Instagram, inspire. And yeah, that's just what's been bringing me light, you guys. Honestly, just talking to y'all, posting videos, that is the highlight of my day, and I love that, to be quite honest. I wish I could do this, you know, full time, which shit, we don't know when things are going to go back to normal. So this is my job right now, and it's an honor. It's an honor. But yeah, that's how I feel, you guys, on the coronavirus. Stay strong. We will get through this as a nation. We will get through this, and I feel like, honestly, you guys, we're gonna come out of this stronger and more united than ever. On a lighter note, let's get into this video. All right, you guys, so I have been on Vogue.com, you know, looking at the fashion trends for 2020, seeing what these designers are dropping, and I was inspired to create some of these looks actually using the clothes that I have in my wardrobe. So I put together 3 looks, and the designer who I am mimicking today is Trey by Natalie Ratabesi. She is an LA-based fashion designer. Her brand is actually really new, you guys. It's been about 2 years since she's been around, and already she is making the moves. She has worked for Ralph Lauren, Dior, Yeezy, and I just found it so astonishing, you guys, that she still has her own identity, because I feel like it's very easy to, as a designer, I would think, although I'm not a designer, but if you work for these designers, it's very easy to be inspired and just be inspired so much that you're subconsciously making things that look like their brand. And it means a lot about her as a designer to see that you don't look at her brand and think Ralph Lauren or Dior or Yeezy. Damn sure not Yeezy. You can just really tell that she took what she learned and made it her own. And she's actually mostly known for gowns and denim. Cool looks from this collection, you guys, that was easy for me to find dupes in my wardrobe. And for this first look that we're gonna get into, absolutely love it. And what mostly attracted me to this look, you guys, is the fact that this is something that I would wear on my own. I feel like this is something that I maybe have worn in the past, but yeah, I really love it. I really feel like it speaks to my personal style, so it was very easy for me to recreate this look. I'm just wearing this wool blazer that I actually thrifted years ago for like $4. Jeans that I'm wearing are actually from Uniqlo. I get so many questions about these pants, and every time I wear them, people ask me where I got them from, and I'm like, girl, Uniqlo for $39.99, okay? And if you catch it on sale, you may get it for $20. But absolutely love these jeans, you guys. I feel like they are just so chic and like baggy. Then the shoes I actually just got, you guys already know, my Margiela ballerina tabbies. I didn't have a boot like the model in the picture, but I thought it also worked with my Margiela tabbies, so I chose to, yeah, put my spin on it. But for this look number 2, I really love the elegant top, again paired with a baggy jean. I just feel like with the baggy jean, she's going for effortless. She's going for an unpolished yet still chic moment. I chose to wear to mimic this look was this Y3 top that I actually got from a sample sale. Just ties in the front and you have a little back, deep V in the back. I love it so much. Again, paired with the same Uniqlo jeans because it's paired with the baggy jean in the picture, and yeah. And then I also chose to again wear my ballerina flat because I like that it gives it more of a girly, still feminine feel, and also still keeping that tomboy aspect with the baggy jeans. Alright you guys, so for the last and final look, this is probably my favorite. I love just a silk top and denim always. That really is my vibe. When I don't know what I want to wear, I always go to a silk top and just jeans and a cute little shoe. You can never go wrong. And I really love Natalie's approach with this look because, again, paired with the baggy pant, it just shows that you don't take yourself too seriously and you can still look very chic in a baggy pair of jeans if you just pair it with something more soft and elegant like a silk top. Yeah, that's just me making it my own. I feel like that's really what Natalie Ratabesi also stands for, is just really being yourself with what you wear and always being true to yourself. So yes, definitely with the Margiela tabby makes it more Sierra. So I feel like you can just really, I just wanted to show you guys that I was just inspired by these looks. I didn't necessarily want to mimic them from head to toe, but you can definitely see the inspiration, but you can definitely still see that it's my style. I'm so sorry that they just turned this damn air conditioner on. It ain't even hot outside. Like, I don't understand. But yeah, you guys, that actually concludes this video because this air conditioner is really annoying and it's gonna blow me. But yeah, you guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video. I hope you were inspired by these looks. Be optimistic about our future. We are going to be okay. And yeah, again, let me know any videos you want to see from me down in the comments. I'm open to all of your suggestions. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in my next one. Peace.